Oh, Dottie, here we go again. Why does it say Civil Authority when the National Weather Service issues it?
Mid-Kentucky.
Why, WBKR?
7 p.m. on August 20th, 2019, effective until 4:27 p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. EDT/4:15 p.m. CDT/4 southeastern Med, north central Grayson, west central Hardin and southeastern Breckenridge County. At 4:56 p.m. EDT/3:56 p.m. CDT/. The severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles east of Hardinsburg. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hardinsburg, Irvington, McClady, Dyer, Constantine, Garfield, Sari, Westview,
Wasada.
Tail, less than 75 iron wind, 60 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash floods. Do not drive your vehicle